Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a vehicle that continues to redefine what a compact SUV can be. Toyota has once again raised the bar by blending efficiency, technology, safety, and rugged capability in one sharply designed package. The RAV4 remains one of the best-selling SUVs in the world, and the 2026 model further cements its legacy with subtle refinements and bold new upgrades that ensure it remains a dominant player in its segment. Starting with its exterior, the 2026 RAV4 presents a slightly refreshed look that brings a more modern, aerodynamic flair. Toyota has sharpened the front fascia with a revised grille design, more aggressive LED headlight signatures, and newly contoured air intakes that hint at its sporty character. Depending on the trim, buyers can expect a variety of grille finishes, ranging from sleek piano black on the XSE to matte silver accents on the limited and rugged blacked-out cladding on the Adventure and TRD off-road variants. The taillights are now more angular and expressive, lending the rear end a more contemporary and upscale appearance. Toyota also introduces new wheel designs for 2026, with sizes ranging from 17 to 19 inches, depending on the model, and new exterior paint options like Solar Storm Blue, magnetic gray metallic with bronze roof, and a striking Blizzard Pearl two-tone finish that speaks to both elegance and sportiness. Under the hood, Toyota continues to offer a diverse powertrain lineup that caters to every type of driver. The standard gasoline engine is a 2.5-liter inline-4 that delivers around 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup remains smooth, efficient, and reliable for everyday driving needs. For those looking for improved fuel economy, the RAV4 Hybrid continues to be a standout, combining the same 2.5-liter engine with a pair of electric motors to deliver a net output of 219 horsepower. The hybrid system is seamlessly integrated, offering instantaneous torque delivery, excellent throttle response, and fuel efficiency figures hovering around 40 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the best in the compact SUV class. But the real showstopper in the 2026 lineup is the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid. This performance-oriented PHEV variant produces a combined 302 horsepower, enabling it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, an impressive feat for a compact SUV. With an electric-only range of up to 42 miles, the Prime allows most daily commutes to be completed without using a drop of gasoline. When the battery runs low, the vehicle seamlessly switches to hybrid mode, offering an extended total range of over 600 miles. Charging the Prime is also quick and convenient, taking about 2.5 hours with a Level 2 charger, thanks to its upgraded 6.6 kW onboard charger. Toyota has engineered the RAV4 Prime not just for efficiency, but for performance and versatility as well. Inside, the 2026 RAV4 cabin is refined, functional, and infused with technology. The layout remains driver-focused, with tactile knobs for climate controls, soft-touch materials on key touchpoints, and generous passenger space both front and rear. For 2026, Toyota has upgraded the infotainment system across all trims. Lower trims now feature an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims such as the XSE and Limited are equipped with a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen interface that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The infotainment software is intuitive, fast, and now includes over-the-air updates, allowing the system to improve over time without needing a dealer visit. The digital gauge cluster also receives an upgrade. A 7-inch or optional 12.3-inch fully digital instrument display offers customizable layouts, vehicle diagnostics, and real-time hybrid system graphics. An available head-up display projects key information like speed and navigation cues onto the windshield, helping the driver keep their eyes on the road. Sound quality has also been enhanced with an optional 11-speaker JBL premium audio system that delivers rich, immersive sound throughout the cabin. Dual-zone climate control is standard across most trims, while the Limited and Prime trims add heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, ambient lighting, and even a digital rearview mirror. When it comes to safety, the 2026 RAV4 continues to lead its class with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard on all trims. This includes an upgraded pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and a lane tracing assist feature that now performs more fluidly, especially on highways. A new feature for 2026 is the proactive driving assist, which anticipates curves and adjusts speed and steering for a smoother, more intelligent driving experience. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert come standard on more trims this year, while the top trims benefit from a panoramic view monitor, front and rear parking sensors with automatic braking, and Toyota's new traffic jam assist system that enables limited hands-free driving in stop-and-go traffic on certain roadways. Practicality has always been a key strength of the RAV4, and that continues in the 2026 model. The rear cargo space remains among the most generous in its class, offering up to 37.6 cubic feet behind the second row and nearly 70 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. The cargo floor is low and wide, making loading and unloading easy, while higher trims offer a hands-free power liftgate for added convenience. The cabin offers numerous storage nooks, including a deep center console, spacious door pockets, and an overhead sunglass holder. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and reclinable rear seats, making long journeys more comfortable. Fuel economy remains a standout across the board. The base gas-powered RAV4 delivers up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, while the hybrid model offers around 40 miles per gallon combined. The Prime version, with its electric range and hybrid capabilities, gives drivers incredible flexibility and cost savings on fuel. Toyota's commitment to reducing emissions while maintaining driving pleasure is evident in every version of the RAV4. Trim levels for 2026 include the LE, XLE, XLE Premium, Adventure, TRD Off-Road, Limited, Hybrid SE, Hybrid XSE, and the High Performance Prime XSE. Each trim comes with a unique combination of exterior design cues, wheel styles, interior appointments, and tech features. The TRD Off-Road model stands out with its raised suspension, all-terrain tires, underbody skid plates, and a tuned suspension designed for light trail duties. It's an ideal choice for those who want their compact SUV to handle camping trips and weekend getaways. On the other hand, the Limited and Prime trims focus on luxury and high-tech appointments, offering a near-premium experience without the luxury price tag. Pricing for the 2026 RAV4 starts at around $30,000 for the base LE trim, while the fully loaded RAV4 Prime XSE with all options can push the price close to $50,000. While that may seem high for a compact SUV, the level of performance, technology, and efficiency it offers makes it a compelling value. And of course, every RAV4 is backed by Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability, solid resale value, and comprehensive warranty coverage, including an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is not just a refresh of an already successful formula, it's a refinement and evolution that ensures its place at the top of the compact SUV food chain. With its combination of rugged styling, a wide range of powertrains, advanced technology, and world-class safety, the RAV4 remains a smart and compelling choice for families, commuters, and adventurers alike. Whether you're looking for daily efficiency, weekend fun, or all-weather versatility, the RAV4 delivers it all with confidence and style. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Toyota RAV4, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future car insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.